Welcome to your mission. It is May 2025. Pablo Rabal is a famous chef who organizes a pan-European cooking contest for young chefs every 3 years. It is reported that he disappeared in his homeland, Valencia, a few days before the contest in Paris. You are private investigators, and the name of your group is Case Hunters. You have a great passion for your work. In your career, you have had achievements that even the most accomplished police investigators could be jealous of. Your mission is to find Pablo. Will you succeed in finding Pablo before the start of the contest? You have in total 45 minutes to find Pablo. The process will lead you to the various steps of the 2 phases. Remember, careful study of the guidelines you will receive, careful examination of the evidence, and collaboration when needed are the keys to your success. Good luck.